Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I have come up with a new video. Those who want to learn Konkani, please subscribe to my channel Konkani Ulai and press the bell icon to get notified about my next videos. In today's video, I am going to tell you some of the basic words that are being used frequently and also sentences using those words. So let's start learning in Konkani. The first word, today. In Konkani we say as eyes. Today is my birthday. Eyes majo jalmadis. Eyes means today. Jalmadis means birthday. The next word, tomorrow. In Konkani we say as falya. Tomorrow is Saturday. Falya shenvar. Falya means tomorrow. Shenvar means Saturday. The next word, good. In Konkani we say as bare. Kavita is a good girl. Kavita एक बरें चली. Baren means good. Chali means girl. The next word, bad. In Konkani we say as white. Sam is a bad boy. Sam एक white चलो. White means bad. Chalo means boy. The next word, yes. In Konkani we say as hi. Yes, I want a doll. Hi. Maka ek bauli zai. Hoy means yes. Maka means I. Ek means one. Bauli means doll. Zai means want. Now let's see the next word. No. In Konkani we say as na. No, I don't want. In Konkani we say na, maka naka. Na means no. Maka means I. Naka means don't want. The next word, up. In Konkani we say whale. Ronet, don't climb up. Ronet, whale chadna ka. The next word, down. Sakail. Babu, throw the sticks down. Babu, badiyo sakail udai. Badiyo means sticks. Sakail means down. Udai means throw. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.